Good morning, students. Today we will be doing mathematics. All right. So open your semester B book. Okay, 3B book to page number 63. We will be solving question number 1. That is fill in the blanks. All right. So here the first question that we have is 5 divided by 1. And when you look at this symbol, okay, we have already done it many times. It means that we have to do division. So what's the first thing that we need to write whenever we see a division symbol? It is divider, right? Like this. So after that, what's the number that we are asked to divide? We are asked to divide 5, so we will write here 5, and this 5 is divided by what number? It is 1. Okay, and if you try to remember the multiplication of table of 1, then 1 into how many times is equal to 5? It is 1 into 5 times is equal to 5, so we will write here 5. So 1 into 5 is equal to 5. The answer that you need to write at the blanks is 5. The same thing with question number 2. Okay, 24 divided by 1. So of course the divider and the number that we are asked to divide is 24. So here we will write 24 divided by 1. So of course in your multiplication table of 1, in your book, okay, the multiplication table book, you don't have more than 20, right? Maybe you have only up till 20. So what will be the answer of 1 into 24? If you look at all the pattern in multiplication table of 1, that is 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3, they all ends up the results, okay, all the results that comes out when you multiply it 1 with 1, the result will be the same as the number. That is, suppose 1 into 2 will always be 2, 1 into 3 will always be 3, right? So we can conclude that this 1 into 24 will also comes out to be 24, right? If you look at all the patterns, because 1 into 20 is also equal to 20, you have that in your multiplication table. Okay, so any number that is multiplied by 1 or multiplied with 1, the answer will be the same number. Okay, so here it is 1 into 24 is equal to 24. So here 24. So the answer will be here 24. Okay, so now next question number 3. This is also the same as before. The process is same, so you do this as a homework. All right. Okay, now next we have is question number 4, that is this one. So here it is written 8 is divided by 8. So try to remember the multiplication table of 8. It is 8 into 1 is equal to 8. 8 into 1 is 8. So here we will write 1. Okay, 1 is the answer, so 1. Next we have a 16 divided by 16. It is also the same thing. Okay, here 16, it is divided by 16. So earlier I told you that 1, if we multiply 1 with any number, the answer will be the same as the number. So here suppose 1 into 16 is equal to 16, right? And we have done the multiplication facts that we can change this position. 1 can go the other side and 16 can come the other side. That is 16 into 1. The result will also be the same. We have done this many times in our online class. So here you look, 16 into how many times is equal to 16? It is 1. So 16 into 1 will be 16. So here the answer will be 1. Question number 6, here also the same process. Okay, you do this as a homework and send the answer photo to my WhatsApp. After that, next we have is question number 7, that is 0 divided by 3. So first we will draw the divider and then 0 inside 3. So if you try to remember the multiplication table of 3, you won't find 0 there, right? In your book it starts with 1. 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 2 is 6. So what will be 3 into 0 is equal to, right? So like we have discussed it also already, okay, in your multiplication chapter, that any number that is multiplied by 0, the answer will always comes out to be 0. So in this case 3 into 0, the answer will always be 0. Okay, it is not just only about 3, any number. Suppose 4 when we multiply it with 0, the answer will also comes out to be 0. All right, so here you look, 3 into how many times is equal to 0? It is of course 0. The remainder will also be 0. So the answer here is this one, that is 0. The same thing with the next number, question number 8. Here also we have to divide 0 by 18. So 18 into how many times will be 0? It will be 18 into 0 is equal to 0. I have just told you that, right? So 18 into 0 will be 0, and the remainder will also be 0. So here this is the answer, 0. Okay, number 9, question number 9, the process also same. So this is also a homework. Okay, let me rub the board and then write it cleanly. Okay, you have to copy it cleanly in your book. You are not supposed to draw all the divider and all those things in your book. All right, the reason I did that earlier is to explain it to you. You have to keep your book very clean and write the answers cleanly. Okay, so here earlier we solved that 5 divided by 1 is equal to 5, right? 24 divided by 1 will be 24, and 3 is homework. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. 16 divided by 16 is also equal to 1. 6 is homework. Okay, and now 0 divided by 3 is also 0, and 0 divided by 18 is also 0. Number 9 will be homework. So you do all this homework and then send the photo to my WhatsApp. Okay, so then with this I will conclude the video. All right, so thank you everyone for watching.